I've been part of last year's embark 2022. We presented our idea of micro-needle patches for drug delivery. We were the finalists at that time. Though the embark had given us an idea how to take forward our ideas, but we lacked in certain aspects. In advanced entrepreneurship workshop, I applied for it so that we can bridge those gaps, and the talks that are happening here actually bridges those gaps and helps us to understand how we can take forward these ideas into actual business or startup.
Awareness program held on Rajiv Gandhi University on 20th April 2023. Through that, I got to know exposure about this entrepreneurship program in life sciences. This was very new experience for me also, and that has made me to be curious about entrepreneurship.
From this workshop, I have had a lot of key learnings. I have learned about what it takes to have a great idea, what it takes to persevere, and what it takes to legally register and comply so that the entrepreneurship idea that I have does not just die within the idea stage. I'm actually able to carry it out on into something that is executionable and that is easily spread and that actually creates an impact into other people's lives.
I had a great opportunity to meet a lot of people here who hail from a diverse background. I got to know about the integrity details of how to start the journey as an entrepreneur.
I must congratulate the CCAM team here to getting one of the best talented bunch of students across India who are into different parts of life sciences that they are working, they are studying. Amazing bunch of students here. Okay, I had a chance to interact with some of them. Some of them are at the early stage of their idea. Some of them moved ahead and secured some grant and working on their ideas, and some of them already started selling their product. So it's a mix of different kind of entrepreneurs budding and growing. Amazing time to interact with them and discuss with them their ideas and guide them in whatever way that they wanted any input on their marketing, on their products and other things.
ধন্যবাদ সিক্যাম।
സിക്യാമ്പിനോ ആഭാർ. ഇവിടെ വരാൻ അവസരം തന്ന സിക്യാമ്പിന് വളരെ നന്ദി.
ധന്യവാദ് സിക്യാം.